Nice one, guys. So basically, today's recipe going to be like this in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Alright? Now, what we're going to do, I got some celery. Alright? This is some celery I'm cutting up right here. I'm going to put that straight inside of my blender. I'm going to be making a detox smoothie. Nice one. Table is rocking. So you want to put the celery inside of it, and then we're going to put some spinach inside of it. Want to put some lemon, or if you got lime, I'm just removing the skin from the lime. So what you want to do, once you remove the skin from the lime or the lemon, just put half of it. Get some cucumber. Cut it up and put it straight inside of your blender like this. If you got some ginger, put a nice lovely piece of a ginger. And also put some water. Roughly about half cups of water. And what we do, we just take this to the blend. Alright. Sorry, before I blend and I go any more further, I need to put some apple cider vinegar, teaspoon, and some cinnamon powder. Lovely. Very, very long blend. Look at that. Amazing. Alright. Now it's time to pour in that beautiful smoothie. Perfect for weight loss. No honey, no sugar, no detoxing. Yes, it's a perfect detoxing drink. Alright. Tune in to the show. As I say, we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright guys, look at that, just amazing. The color and the texture, everything is just perfect. So yeah, why not? See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.